Welcome to my channel Kitchen Partner. Hello foodies, today we are going to start a beginner series. In this series we are going to cook a normal food recipe. So we are going to cook some rice. We take 3 glasses of rice. Then we put our rice in the bowl. Now we have to rinse it. I'm going to rinse it for 3 times. You can rinse it as you like. The most important part is to measure the water. We have to put double amount of water comparing to the rice. So we are going to put 6 glasses of water in the rice. I have put all my rice water into the cooker. Now I'm going to close the lid and let it cook for some time. Another easy way to measure water is dipping your fingers up to the 3 lines, and water level should be up to 3 lines. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.